Alrighty, so again, a prefix is a word or word part that goes at the beginning of a base word to create a new word with a new meaning. A base word is just a word by itself that something can be added to create that new word. For example, the word believe is the base word here in the word unbelievable. We have the prefix un and the suffix able. So believe is our base word. Here our base word is the word fortunate because we added the prefix un. Alrighty? The prefix un and the prefix in both mean the same thing. They both mean not. So we have the word unbelievable, which means not believable. Unfortunate, not fortunate. Unfair means it's not fair. Unbalanced means that it does not have any balance or it is off balance. Untamed and uncontrollable, which means it's not tamed and it cannot be controlled. Over here, again, in means not as well. So incredible, it is not credible. Indestructible, it cannot be destroyed. Independent, so they can do it on their own. They don't need to be dependent on someone else. Indescribable, it cannot be described. And insensitive, so not sensitive. So un and in, those prefixes both give us the opposite of what that base word is.